An equation isn't just a math problem, it's a statement of balance. Imagine a perfectly level scale. On one side, you have x plus 10. On the other, the number 25. Our mission is to find the mystery value of x while keeping that scale perfectly balanced. The most powerful symbol here is the equal sign. It's the pivot point, and it has one golden rule. Whatever you do to one side of the equation, you must do to the other. Add 5 to the left, you must add 5 to the right. Divide the left by 2, you must divide the right by 2. This rule is non-negotiable. So, how do we get x all by itself? We use its opposite, an undo button. In x plus 10, 10 is being added to our variable. The opposite of adding 10 is subtracting 10. This is called an inverse operation. The inverse of multiplication is division, and the inverse of subtraction is addition. These are your secret weapons for isolating the variable. Let's solve x plus 10 equals 25. To undo the plus 10, we subtract 10. But remember the golden rule. We do it to both sides. So, x plus 10 minus 10 equals 25 minus 10. The 10s on the left cancel out, leaving just x. On the right, we have 15. Our mystery is solved. X equals 15. This works for everything. If you see 4y equals 20, that's 4 times y. The inverse is dividing by 4. Do it to both sides and you get y equals 5. And here's the best part. You can always know if you're right. Take your answer and substitute it back into the original equation. Does 15 plus 10 equal 25? Yes, you've proven it. This skill, this balancing act, is the foundation for all complex math. Master this and you're speaking the language of logic.